Good day everyone, my name is Big John and welcome to the Pattern of the Week. Here's the slow version of the pattern you just heard. Here's an application to the pattern you just heard.
He tell me say man everywhere don't red and he get a CD. I tell her say no worry, as long as say we know the mortuary. See, we there alive, we still dey breathe. He get something where I believe. See, God no go shame us. God no go shame us. God no go shame us. The blessing go loud, you go worry the neighbors. God no go shame us. God no go shame us. God no go shame us. The blessing go loud, you go worry the neighbors. This one no be bobo. I know they talk waiting, I don't know. When the time go reach for you to collect your bread, you go collect your go. You don't the way you don't the grind there, and it be like say your own never enter. When they go send you a lot there, and now you don't go use enter. As for me, I no get tissue. They let you marry, now you me. Now in the shower the blessings, so when I do so I no want it. Hey, somebody won't carry my picture go babalawo and tell her to wait first. Say that picture where you want is no fun. Make I send that the one, it could make sense. Because God no go shame us. God no go shame us. God no go shame us. The blessing go down, you go worry. God no go shame us. God no go shame us. God no go shame us. The blessing go down, you go worry the neighbors. He will not shame us. You don't know? You don't know? You don't know?